Who is the Iron Man of India? Which city is dipped in pink? Test your speed and your memory with 50 lightning-fast facts about the world's largest democracy. Here we go. Question 1. Which city is Manchester of India? It's Ahmedabad. We'll now do question 2. Which state is top tea producer? The correct choice is Assam. Let's check out question 3. What is the national fruit of India? The correct answer is mango. Here we go with question 4. What is an official language of India? The answer we were looking for is Hindi. Let's move forward to question 5. What is the national tree of India? It was banyan. Question 6 is coming up. Who wrote India's national anthem? The correct choice is Rabindranath Tagore. Question 7. What is the national emblem of India? The correct one is lion capital. Question 8 for you. Who was India's first woman prime minister? Correct. It's Indira Gandhi. Question 9 is coming up. Which Indian state is most populous? So, the answer is Uttar Pradesh. Here we go with question 10. Who was first Indian Miss World? That would be Rita Faria. Question number 11. Who wrote the Indian epic Mahabharata? You should have chosen Vyasa. Question number 12. What is India's aquatic animal? Yes, the answer is Ganges dolphin. Question 13 is coming up. Which is the largest state in India? That's exactly Rajasthan. Now presenting question 14. What is the highest peak in India? If you said Kanchenjunga, you're correct. Here we go. Question 15. What is the national currency of India? The answer is rupee. Here's the next challenge. Question 16. Which Indian city is City of Lakes? The answer? Udaipur. We'll now do question 17. What is the national song of India? The answer is Vande Mataram. Here's question 18. Who was India's first Nobel winner? You should have chosen Rabindranath Tagore. Let's go to question 19. Who was first Indian woman on Everest? The answer we have is Bikindri Pal. We're ready for question 20. Who was India's first president? And the answer is Rajendra Prasad. This is question 21. Which Indian city is City of Pearls? That's exactly Hyderabad. Let's dive into question 22. Who founded Indian National Congress? So, the answer is Ayohim. We're on question 23. Which city is Garden City of India? The answer is, of course, Bengaluru. Get ready for question 24. Which city is Silicon Valley of India? The right answer was Bengaluru. Next up, Question 25. Which Indian state is most literate? The answer is Kerala. All right, question 26. Who won India's first individual medal? The answer we were looking for is K.D. Jadhav. Question number 27. Who was the first Indian in space? That's right, Rakesh Sharma. Let's try question 28. Which state is India's top milk producer? Let's reveal it. Uttar Pradesh. Let's move forward to question 29. What is the national flower of India? The answer was lotus. Let's proceed to question 30. Which is the longest river in India? The answer was Ganges. Now, question 31. Who was the first Indian F1 driver? The right choice is Narain Karthikeyan. Here's question 32. Which city is the pink city of India? And the winner is Jaipur. We now have question 33. Which state is the smallest in India? That is the answer, Goa. Let's work on question 34. What is the national bird of India? And the correct one is peacock. Here comes question 35. What is the capital of India? The answer we have is New Delhi. Ready? Question 36. Which is India's tea garden state? The answer is Assam. Up next, question 37. Who is India's first Grammy winner? The answer is simply Ravi Shankar. Let's take a look at question 38. Where in India is the Taj Mahal? That is the answer, Agra. Here's the next challenge. Question 39. Who is father of the nation of India? And the correct one is Mahatma Gandhi. Let's continue with question 40. What is the national vegetable of India? It was pumpkin. Question 41. What is the national animal of India? It has to be tiger. Next up, question 42. Who won India's first physics Nobel? The answer is definitely C.V. Raman. Question number 43. Which is India's oldest mountain range? It has to be Aravalli. We're on question 44. Who is the Iron Man of India? The answer we needed is Sardar Patel. We're ready for question 45. Where is Assam's Kaziranga Park? And the correct one is Assam. Let's dive into question 46. What is the national motto of India? The right answer was Satyam Jait. Let's move forward to question 47. Which Indian state has longest coast? That is the answer, Gujarat. Let's move to question 48. Which is the oldest language of India? The answer is Tamil. Here's question 49. Which state is India's land of temples? is Tamil Nadu. Final question coming up. Number 50. Who was India's first woman president? The answer is definitely Pratibha Patil. How did you do? If you got all 50 right, you are a genius. Comment your score below. So what are you waiting for? Share your score, like, comment, and share with your friends to see who's the ultimate Mastermind India.